Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I make my crock pot white chicken chili. You're going to need some chicken breast. I'm using frozen. You're also going to need some cumin, oregano, cayenne pepper, chili powder, some salt and pepper. You're going to need some corn, some chicken broth, some green chilies, great northern beans. You're going to need some cream cheese, milk, and you're also going to need some chopped onion, some chopped garlic, and some cilantro. I have a list of measurements down below. So first I'm just going to add the chicken breast into the crock pot. Like I said, you can use fresh if you want to. I'm using frozen. And then after that, I'm going to add in all the seasoning like the salt, pepper, and the spices like cumin, chili powder, cayenne, etc. I'm going to be honest, I really don't measure anything. I just season pretty much how I know how, because I made this a few times and I know how much to use, but I'm going to do my best to post everything down below, like the measurements and everything like that. But yeah, after that, after all the seasonings and spices, that's when I'll add the other ingredients. So after I add in all the spices, I'm going to go ahead and add the fresh ingredients like the chopped onion, the minced garlic, and the cilantro. So now I'm going to add in the canned ingredients like the corn that I rinsed and drained. I'm going to add in the 2 cans of green chilies, and then I'm going to add 2 cans of the chicken broth and also the beans that I rinsed and drained. I'm adding 2 cans of those. And once I have mixed everything, I'm going to cover it and cook it on low for about 4 hours. And once the chicken is cooked through, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and shred it up, and then I'm just going to place it right back into the crock pot. And once I got the chicken back added into the crock pot, I'm going to go ahead and add the cream cheese and the milk. I feel like this is completely optional if you're not into dairy, but this is where it gets its name, white chicken chili. But I feel like you can leave it out and it'll still taste really good. So yeah, I'm going to add both of those in and I'm going to let it cook for another about 30 minutes. So now it's all done, ready to serve. My husband likes to eat this with rice, so I'll serve this on top of rice. You can also do like a side of cornbread or like tortilla chips, but everyone liked it, even my kids, they really liked it too. I like to serve mine with avocado, sour cream, shredded cheese, and like extra cilantro. That's just how I like it. But yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will do more crock pot recipes or just recipes in general. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will talk to you later. Bye.